Okay, big announcement time, people. Tom Leyden with you, along with Dr. Drew Chase from ARCH Orthodontics, and we're going to get right to the point. Well, first of all, how you doing?
I'm doing well.
I guess we should say hello and just make sure, life's going okay.
Life's going great.
All right, good. Now on to the announcement. This is great. When you told me that your office was doing this, I said, that's just a fantastic idea. And the biggest key at this point is just to get the word out about the fact that you are doing what?
I am providing free, giving away to all of our Westwood athletes free professional grade mouth guards to protect your teeth the way the professional athletes do. Both the Phoenix Suns and the Arizona Cardinals wear these mouth guards. These are the mouth guards that you will be wearing this season. I am providing them at no charge. I want you to come to the office. I want you to get scanned. And whether or not you have braces, you have aligners or Invisalign, it doesn't make a difference where you're having your orthodontic treatment done. I am still going to give you this gift to protect your teeth in order to have a great smile for the rest of your life.
So we don't have a great visual because we're talking, and this is more of an audio format. But when I look at the mouth guard, what jumps out to me is it's got the logo. If you want it, you can have it or not have it, customizable. It's got the athlete's name and number on the side, which is fantastic. So they're not going to be chewing their teammates' mouth guards. But this isn't a mouth guard that you want to chew because it is a pro grade. And how does it protect you better?
So that's a great question, Tom. The way this mouth guard works is the height of the ridge of the mouth guard goes all the way up to where the lip kind of meets the bone. It's incredibly intimate against the skeletal system, against the gum tissue, and around the teeth. If you have no braces, you have no aligners, it'll be very intimate around the teeth themselves. If you are actually moving your teeth, this will accommodate tooth movement for a full season without any issues whatsoever. If there happens to be an issue, we will remake it during the season for you at no charge. I want to make sure you're protected. The inside of it will have, as I said, an intimate detail of all of your upper teeth. The biting surface on the other side will have an imprint of your lower teeth, so you'll know exactly where to bite for the most power and the greatest protection.
Logistics. You need to go to the office of ARCH Orthodontics to get your scans done. That's how the customizable component of this comes into play. So to do so, you're going to open the office on 2 days, July 26th and August 2nd. Exclusively for athletes to come in and just do nothing but scans that day?
100%. You'll come in, we'll check you in, we'll do your digital scan. It's not a goopy impression thing. It's very quick and easy, just a couple of minutes, a few minutes at the most to make sure that we get the right detail. And then a few weeks later, 2 to 3 weeks later, we'll have all the guards ready to be delivered. We could deliver them to the schools. You could pick them up there. We could fit them in the office. If, however, July 26th and August 2nd do not work well for you, I am happy to scan you at any other time that the office is open. I need you to text 781-575-1188 to set up the appointment for your mouth guard scan. And we will set up an appointment that works for you around your summer schedule.
So this is a big word of mouth thing. What you need is somebody on the team to hear about this and really tell his or her teammates. Say, hello, we need to go get these mouth guards because not only are they the best quality mouth guard that you can get in the market today, but you're going to look pretty sweet. I mean, think about that. There's a component of this that you're going to have this customizable mouth guard with the logo, with your name. That would be kind of cool.
It's absolutely amazing. It's absolutely amazing, and it comes in a great case, and you will be amazed at how different this feels to any of the other mouth guards you've had. The comfort, the fit, the durability is outstanding, and as I said, this is what the professional athletes are wearing, and this is what you should be wearing, and it's my gift to you, free, no charge whatsoever. I just need you to get to the office to get scanned.
Very generous. But it also comes from a place of knowledge because you've dealt with significant injuries in the mouth. Some of that happening because it's your typical boil and bite mouth guard.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I've seen teeth knocked out, what we call avulsed in dentistry. I've seen them fractured, broken. I've seen lips cut. I've seen incredibly crazy things that you wouldn't expect can happen, even with a mouth guard that was a generic mouth guard, a boil and bite, or something that's even less substantial than the boil and bite that's out there. This is a way to protect your teeth. At your age, you only have adult teeth left, which means you don't get another set for free.
And it's not just football. I mean, when
gosh,
you
no.
think about any of the fall sports here, field hockey, soccer's one.
Soccer,
Right?
huge.
Yeah.
Soccer's huge.
I mean, people don't necessarily think about soccer, but how many times is a head going to slam into a jaw? Or even, how do these protect against concussions too?
Well, there's not a lot of hard and fast research that proves that mouth guards protect you from a concussion. A shot to the head is a shot to the head, and the casing around your head, the skull, and whatever helmet you might be wearing is really what the protecting faction is. The thing with a mouth guard, if it's properly worn, there's something called a whiplash injury. And the whiplash injury, I don't know if any of you have ever been the victim of a rat tail. But if you've ever snapped a rat tail or been snapped with one, that tail of the towel reaches out and snaps back. That's what happens when your head and body get hit. There's two things that'll happen. If your body's getting hit, the head is going to flip in one direction, the jaw opens up and slaps completely open and then slams shut. That's how teeth get broken. That's how poorly fitting mouth guards fall out. And the damage happens. That snapping effect will cause TMJ problems. And if you're hit hard enough, you'll probably get a concussion. Now, there is some very small research, super small sample sizes that show that this can reduce the chances, but I'm not here to tell you that this is a way to protect against concussions. This is a way to protect against facial damage, lower jaw trauma, lip trauma, tooth trauma, biting your tongue, like huge lacerations in tongues happen. This is a mouth guard that will just stay in. You can talk in this. You can call out your plays. You can yell to your teammates. You can yell back at your coaches. I don't recommend it. But this is going to fit you. It's going to function the way it's designed for the most powerful athletes in the game, the professional athletes out there. And I want you to have the same level of protection for your teeth.
That's great. So call to action. Get your teammates lined up. Call 781-575-1188. The dates are July 26th and August 2nd, and you will have a customized mouth guard in time for the fall season at Westwood High School. Good work.
Right.
That's great.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so that was a breaking news from ARCH Orthodontics podcast. Every once in a while we'll do these. When something is significant enough that we have to do a very focused message, that's what we're going to do. Anything? How's life?
Life is great. Yeah. Life is great. It's going to be even better this fall when all of our athletes are wearing these mouth guards. I mean, really.
Okay, so we'll wrap it up there. That is Dr. Drew Chase from ARCH Orthodontics. You're the man. Be good.
Thanks, Tom.